How do I view my archived messages in Messenger?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to delve into the realm of Facebook Messenger and guide you on how to view your archived messages. This video will help you unclutter your inbox and retrieve important conversations that you've previously archived.
What are archived messages?
Before we start, let's clarify what we mean by archived messages. On Facebook Messenger, when you archive a conversation, it hides it from your inbox until the next time you chat with that person. Archiving a message doesn't delete it, it just moves it to a separate section.
How do I archive messages?
For those who might not be familiar with how to archive messages, let's quickly run through it. On Messenger, just long press the conversation you want to archive, then select the option for Archive. This will immediately move the conversation to the Archived folder.
How to access archived messages on Messenger?
Now, the main event. Let's discuss how to view the archived messages. Follow these steps. 1. Open your Facebook Messenger application on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. 3. Scroll down and select Archive Chats. There you go. You should now be able to see all your archived messages.
How to unarchive a message?
In case you want to bring a message back to your main inbox, you can easily unarchive it. Simply, 1. Open the archived chat you want to unarchive. 2. Send a message to the chat. This will automatically move it back to your main Messenger inbox. And that wraps up our guide on how to view archived messages in Facebook Messenger. No more missing out on hidden conversations. We hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned. Happy messaging!